This is your man on the street, Eric Fribush, Facebook Weather Service. As you can see, we're standing at the top of a road leading into a townhouse development in Owings Mills community. As you can see, it's almost white out conditions. Snow's coming down really hard. They've been plowing all night here, but still, roads are really slick. As you can see, plows just came by on the main road here, but still really slippery. Everybody needs to take heed and stay in today. I don't even know if you want to get out and shovel. There's just so much snow out here. You might want to wait till tomorrow. Let the plows get by first. Let your neighborhood plows do what they can. And then get out there and start shoveling and getting your cars out. We're looking at another storm coming middle of the week, and then possibly another big one coming next weekend. Winter in Baltimore. Haven't seen a storm like this in a long, long time. Facebook Weather Service. We'll be broadcasting to you live all day. Appreciate all the feedback.